sum of n terms of an AP1. Example: find the sum of the first 21 terms of an arithmetic progression whose nth term is 1 minus 4n. Solution: we know that an is equal to 1 minus 4n. S21 is equal to what? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Here a is equal to what and d is equal to what? An is equal to 1 minus 4n. First term a1 is equal to 1 minus 4 into 1 is equal to minus 3. Second term a2 is equal to 1 minus 4 into 2 is equal to minus 7. To find d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to minus 7 minus minus 3 is equal to minus 4. Hence, a is equal to minus 3, d is equal to minus 4. N is equal to 21 given. L is equal to A21 is equal to 1 minus 4 into 21 is equal to minus 83. Now S21 is equal to n by 2 a plus l is equal to 21 by 2 of minus 3 minus 83 is equal to minus 903.